Hi people, welcome back to my channel, and in case this is the first time you've seen me on this angle, do well to please subscribe to my channel. Just click that subscription button down below and you're welcome. So today's video we are just going to do a DIY for Valentine's Day. So in the spirit of Valentine, I'm just going to do a beautiful rose teddy bear for my daughter. Anyways, in case this is your first time running into me, I don't know, this ring was DIY made by me, and if you want to learn how to make your fashion rings yourself, do well to click on the video in the description box down below so you can see how I made this ring myself. Yeah, it's pretty easy. I think that's actually a 5-minute video. Without wasting your time, let's get crafty. To make this teddy bear, rose teddy bear theme, I had ordered this foam teddy bear stuff from AliExpress with the red roses. Oh my god, it's pretty. You don't know how much. I'm just gonna stick the roses to the teddy bear foam. Let's see how it comes out, and I hope these roses are gonna be enough. That's just my fear anyways, but let's try and see what we can get out of this. So the Hawaii rose teddy bear on the go. So first I'm gonna create an eye for our teddy bear, make an eye for it, and then a nose for it. To make this, you have to put a hot glue on any surface you want anyway, just in a circular manner. Evenly spread the hot glue and sprinkle shimmer or shine or anything you want. Then when it's properly covered, then you can put it out. Then this is the eyes and the nose properly shaped, and I have to now put the eyes and the nose in the way it should be. This is the finished look of the eye and the nose, and I hope it's awesome. Okay, then we are done with the eyes, and it's time to do the ears. I was thinking to put the glitter things on the earlobe to make it different from whatever I've been seeing before. So this is it. I'm gonna put glue all over and sprinkle the shine, the gold shine onto it evenly. Try to make everywhere covered. I will have to shake this teddy bear at this point so that it gets like even, like everywhere, and not be like at some place and not there at some place. So this is what I'm doing to it. Shake and evenly spread out. So one ear is done, and you can see it's not covered, so you have to redo this to make it very covered. So you have to do the second earlobe the same exact way. Sprinkle the glitters all over and make sure it's properly covered. So you can see the earlobes are done. I have to do each ear twice. I have to cover up in glitters twice to make sure it's properly covered. And now it's time to put my roses to the skin of my foam teddy bear. And that is what we are supposed to do initially, but I have to start putting these glitters to make it different from everything else I've been seeing online. Okay, then you make sure that each rose, fake rose anyways, that you put on the foam teddy bear, it's closer to the next. Do not leave spaces in between so that it will be closed up. You don't have to see the foam teddy bear's whitish part, so you have to be extra careful. Put it very closely, like you can see it's neatly done, and each roses are very close to the other one. So this is the eye part. I'm trying not to cover up the gold shine glitter thing we did, so you have to be careful. Put your petals down and put a hot glue so that it glues and stays. You see the eye is not covered, the gold thing is not covered. Make sure you do that to the eye and the nose part. Gradually continue putting your roses all over your foam teddy bear, and do not let there be spaces. Just cover it up tightly, nicely. Continue and continue. Now the face is covered in roses, as you can see. So I'm just going to turn to the back and do the back the same exact way, cover up with roses, and I'm going to do the rest of the body off camera, and I will come back and show you the finished look. So this is my finished look, and it's very pretty. It's gonna be a rocks, like seriously. And I'm starting to see the matching thing between the gold thing and this neck piece. Oh my god, like oh my god, this is pretty. And the eyes, oh, it looks like it's looking at me. Is that looking at you? Like seriously, it's beautiful, so beautiful. This is oh, we did a nice job here. Oh, and I'm just gonna show you the bottom part. I tore the petals and covered it up. So, wow, this is beautiful from every angle, and it looks gigantic. My daughter is gonna love this. She is just gonna love this. Like, my nails are ruined anyways, but what do I know? This is pretty. Pretty. Oh, guys, it's not been easy at all. It was not an easy job, but yeah, we did it. We did our rose petal DIY teddy bear for Valentine. Oh, this looks super adorable. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I can actually use this for home decor, you know, everything that is super cute. But I'm just gonna gift my daughter this. I did a great job. I know I did. So anyways, if this is your first time seeing my channel, please do pity your babe and subscribe. Then always watch my videos, cause I do a lot of giveaways, but mostly once every month. So in case if you love what we did today, just subscribe. I love you guys, and I love you all who love. This is cute, and you can give it to your girlfriend, your wife, your whatever. If you give this to me, I'll be like, oh, this is pretty. But you have to be extra. I will show you what extra is to me. Just in case if you want to give me this is the way you gift this to me. In case if you don't know, this is Nigerian money. So just put a lot of it. I just put a few, and they're not enough. So just in case if you want to gift this to me, add some paper. When I mean paper, I mean currency paper, not So hope you love my video, and please like the video. Please like my video, and please subscribe to my channel, because I don't think I'm awesome, but I think I'm amazing. So see you guys in my next video, and I kind of have two hands and I'm using them already. So see you on my next video. Kisses. Bye. Out and off. Amazing dress. Now I know I certainly play too much. Bye bye, I love you. And please do not forget to give this a thumbs up. Yeah, thank you.